Hey guys, I am back with a video. Before I start my Pokemon video all across North America, Asia, Europe, Middle East, Oceania. Subscribe if you're new, share the video, push the notifications, and push the massive like. Let's start. Okay, remember this? I was holding this up during my birthday since Tuesday. Well, here it is. Let's reveal what's inside. Okay, so easier to do this. And you got that card right there. This is dry. This away. Okay, you got Astral Radiance. More Astral Radiance. Brilliant Stars. And 2 Evolving Skies. Now, my least favorite Pokemon ever, my least favorite TCG is Evolving Skies, but it has good pulls. I don't know why. But it's some reason this is popular still. And they also imprinted more of these cards of Evolving Skies. I did a video of this Evolving Skies last year on my Facebook. Before I forgot my password, of course, I'm stupid. Cause I forget my password. But I got multiple Facebooks. So yeah, that's it for the video on these revealing these things. Evolving Skies. I don't like Evolving Skies because it's crap. No offense to all the Pokemon lovers out there that love Evolving Skies. Me, no. The only thing I like about Pokemon is this. Astro. Brilliant Stars. See that right there? A Charizard pack. A Charizard. A Charizard pack. Baby. So that's it for this video. My final thoughts. All across. Actually, hang on. These up for you. All across North America, Asia, Middle East, Oceania, and Europe. Subscribe if you're new. Push the video and the push the video. I meant push the notifications and the massive like. Live long, prosper. Peace out.